Okay, hello everybody. Hello everybody. Okay. Me go eat this can soup food. Okay, if you hungry, you really hungry, you don't wanna wait, do this. Let me go cook this. Me really hungry. Only you cook this. Only me want broth. I want me stuff. Me show you. First open this. Pour up like this. If you need to do is put garbage. Okay, now okay, I'm gonna probably holy. Now what me gonna do is dive in broth. Before you need to do, you need to have something that's so not kind of like letting it's on the whole thing. Come yeah, there's have dumb it all on him. Dumb it all in his me going in microwave. If you like how much you want it, me, I want kind of like a little bit harder or harder. Me do this. Maybe about it 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes. And then feel like see where I'm heating up like almost dying, literally almost dying where almost dying yeah almost dying. Yeah, you see? Done. Okay, me go eat now. Okay, talk to you talk to you, me go eat out and subscribe, both my YouTube channels. Okay, subscribe my first YouTube channel and my second one. Put a thumb up. Subscribe both my YouTube channels. See you.